Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you whatever we type inside this text area, and if I click the download button, we can convert that as a text file like this in React.js. Yeah, let's start. So first I am going to create a text area and one button. Its name is download. Okay, and I'm going to create one state to get this text area. Okay, here its name is val, set val. Okay, use state and initial value is empty, and I'm going to copy this here. Value is this val, that state value on change, and I'm going to get an event from this input field and a set val. I am going to set this value, this text area value. Okay, and now our text area is ready, and I'm going to create one function on click. This is handle click or a download, and copy this. After this, here I just console that state value. Okay, this in text area value, and I click on this console test data. If I click download, see, we get a value whichever we type inside this text area, and we need to add a functionality for this download button. We need to get this value and we need to download that as a text file, and before that I add a BR tag here to break that. Now this is fine, and inside this first I'm going to create a blob, new blob, and this val, and we need to specify the type text/plain, and I'm going to generate a URL to download this text. Okay, whichever we created inside this. So here URL dot create object. Here we need to pass that blob, and I'm going to create one anchor tag to download the URL. Okay, document dot create element, and it should be anchor, and here I'm just going to append the URL. Like we need to pass the value. Here we need to pass this one, and link dot download, and we need to give a file name here, test.txt, and document dot body dot append child. What we going to append? This link. Okay, copy that. We need to append that, and here link dot click. Whenever we click on that button, it will start proceed the download. Okay, and finally we need to remove the DOM. So document dot body dot remove this link. Okay, and we need to remove the URL also. Revoke object URL. Here this URL we need to pass. This is like clearing the DOM. Okay, and save this, and I just refresh the screen, and I just increase this. I just go to get some content. What is hosting? I just copy this. I just copy till this. Okay, and I just paste here. This is our content. If I click download, see, whichever we added inside that text field, text area, it is downloading. Okay, and if you want to give some space, this text area is a correct one to capture the exact structure whatever we type. Okay, and if I click download and see, the space and everything is similar to this text area. Yep, this is what I try to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.